Hi guys, everything you need will be in the comments or above the comments below. Today I've been inspired by a tutorial I've seen. It's by Cindi McGee and it's absolutely beautiful, done with peacock feather styles. So I just wanted to try and use her slab in the way she does it and then create something myself. But honestly, I advise you to go and watch it. It's lovely. I'll put the link below. Um, yeah, and she's absolutely fine with me doing this. I've already asked her. Okay, so what am I using today? I've just got metallics here and pearls here. So I've got, let me just check, blue metallic cernit, turquoise metallic cernit, green gold metallic cernit, and gold metallic cernit. I haven't got the colours Cindi uses, and I can't get the nice rich blue she uses, so I know I won't be able to get it as beautiful as she did. But we have got the pearls now, so I thought I'll just see what happens. Also, there's the cernit pearl in purple and the cernit pearl in, is it black? Yeah, black. Okay, so that's all I'm using for this part. Cindi uses some special sort of fine glitter. I don't have that either, so I'm just going to use what I've got and try and make the most of it and see if I can just come up with something nice at the end. Okay, all right, so I'll be back in a minute with the next bit. Hi, so I'm back. So on the purple pearl, I've just put like a purple chrome foil, as I didn't have what Cindi used. On the blue, I've done the same, and on the turquoise, I've done a fine mica. So those three are covered, these aren't. So now it's to remember the order. Right, okay, I'm gonna have to take these off. So I think it was purple first, and then I've practiced it already, and I think I'd like a black under the purple, but I think I might have done it wrong because I tried changing the colours a bit and it didn't look right. This is the way to do it. The way Cindy's done it is perfect. So it was purple and black. Sorry. And then gold. And then it was, I can see a hair, hang on a minute. And then it was blue. I wish I had the ultramarine blue that Cindi uses. It's so lovely. I don't think it's even available anymore. I tried looking for it. And then the turquoise. And then I'm going for this green gold, which is the only where I'm differing. I just want to see how it looks, okay? So I'll move those out of the way. Give this a wipe. Two secs, guys. Right. So that's the 6 pieces. Now the next thing to do is stretch them all out a bit and then give them a roll because they're going to be going through the pasta machine. So I'm just sort of pushing it outwards against air bubbles. And just grab my roller. It's also needed to wipe. Just going to turn it over. I'm just going to roll it a bit more. I'm pretty sure Cindi put it in on a number 2, so I'm going to put it through on a number 2. And there we have our sheet, okay? So I'll be back in a second for the next bit. Hi, okay, so here's the way Cindi did the last piece of her slab. I've rolled some black out on a number 3 here, and I'm just going to dip in and out, and I'm going to try to elongate rather than circular, if I can. Oh, I might need to go a little bit deeper. I might not want to go that deep. Good job you could play around with these things a bit. very, very soft because of the cernit. Okay, so basically it's covered this opposite slab. Try not to make big holes like I did there. I'll remedy it somehow, but if you can manage to keep, so it's like those there. Let me just try and, I just must have had an air bubble there. I just felt it come up again. If you can try to not let it go, I mean, you can do that and go in a little bit deeper the next time, just get a bit of the purple, you know, do it in stages. But yeah, so I'm going to complete this and then I'll be back. Okay, so it's all done. I've ended up the other side that could have been used is scrap. Never mind, eh? So I've got this, but seriously, go and watch Cindy's tutorial. It is much better than mine, and she's got better colours too. But I'm still going to have fun, and I thought I'd try. It's what you make out of it as well, isn't it? So here we go. I'm going to cut this in half because I know I'm only going to need half. Which half do I need? Right, I'm going to roll this through on a number 2. Actually, I'll roll it through on a 0, and then I'll turn it, and then roll it the other way on a number 2. Just to, I don't want it, I'm saying that I could have left it and had it elongated. It's fine. It's fine. And now I'm just going to burnish the top a little bit. So what I've done here is I've just got some Cernit black pearl, and I've just used a one size cutter to cut that out. And I've got a smaller cutter which I'll be using for a bit of this. So that's the main thing I'll be doing for this tutorial. I'll do some other bits, I'll show you after if I've done them, but hopefully this is good enough. Right. I've got a tendency to want to rip it up and double it again. No, I'm just going to cut some out. So, first of all, with this one, I just want to texture it. So I've just got like a rocky texture I'm using here. And I'm just doing it my way, pushing on it manually. I mean, by all means, use an acrylic block and do it all properly. Okay, so I'm just going to recut it. Okay. I'll remove that in a minute. What I am going to do is put this on here to cut the other piece. Knowing where to do it's best. That's why I'd like to have cut it up again just to spread the colours out a bit more because it's only a small piece. But whatever I choose, it will do. I'm just going to go there. Okay. So I am literally just going to put those in the oven at the manufacturer's recommended temperature, and I'll see you on the other side. Hi, so I'm back. So they've baked. This is the biggest square one, and what I've done is I run some black through on a number 6, and then I've just used some crepe paper to texture it. So I've got the back textured. This one here is going to be going on here. I haven't quite decided how to do it yet. I've got sort of playing with ideas. I'm trying to work out the best way. I think it's going to be that way. So I'm going to also add some liquid clay to attach this to there. There's a lot of grooves here, so I'll add a good little bit. Okay, so that's going to go right there. Just applying gentle pressure because of the pattern underneath. I could have left the crepe paper underneath while I did it. Right, now I'm just trying to work out how to do, oh look it's moved already. It will settle, but till it does, I need to keep away. Yeah, so I want to create, I think I'm going to create a bell rather than add one. So what I have got here is just a bit of rubber cut off a mat, literally, and I've just used that. I rolled it on a number 2 with the black pearl. I'm just going to see if I can create some sort of a veil. So let's see what happens. If not, worst scenario, I can go and get a bail. But it wouldn't be fun. There's no fun in that, is there? Right, okay, so what I've done here is I'm just going to pinch these ends together. So it kind of gives it a nice point. I'm going to try and square it off as best as I can. And I have got, and I probably won't be able to find one now, but somewhere I have got a little tiny, is that it? No, that's a white one. I don't want a white one. Yeah, I'll get one in a minute. I have got a Swarovski crystal lying around, and I was thinking I could plant it in the point where I put it there. Now, because this is Cernet, it's going to be a little bit soft, so this isn't going to be easy. Maybe I should have used some other clay underneath, and then that would have held it stronger. Just want to see if I can straighten these lines a bit without ruining them. Don't think so. Right, this is going to be fun now. Probably go all wobbly and soft, but we'll have a go. I've got to try and keep that still as well, so it's going to be doing the two together. Right. Okay. So I've got that there. I'm going to try and put that there and find just the right place. Right. You can stay there. So I'll try and put it so you can see what I'm doing, but I'm more self-conscious because you're watching me. State of those fingers, eh? Right, I think that's about it. So I'm hoping that I can just cut this back off. I'm going to have to redo the pattern on the back, but that's better than not being able to do it. So there we go. Straighten the front again. Okay, and I'm just going to get a Swarovski crystal. Stick it right where I put this point, and then I shall put it in the oven. Right, the crystal's going to go right there. Okay, I've just got to go and find it. Then I shall put this in the oven for its final bake, and I'll see you on the other side. Hi, so I'm back. I've just finished it off. I'll explain what I did. I said to you I was putting the Swarovski crystal in. When it came out of the oven, I just got this Premio Deco Colour pen, and I just went around the edges and the edges of the inner one and just on the top. So that's that. Then I just got the Fimo varnish and varnish the top of that. So that's that one done. Also, just a few of the scraps I've done as well, just to show you. I made these earrings and these ones. So that was just playing around while I was waiting to do the pendant. Sorry, pendant. So there's those ones there. Just showing you, so if you do decide to do this slab, you know, I'm just giving you an idea of some things you could do. I've still got to sort the backs of these yet as well, but that will be next. But I just wanted you to see sort of what I'd managed to do. Okay, so I'll just hold this up to show you. Okay, so I've just put the gold around the edge, and it's just like a sort of a simple, it's not even a statement pendant, is it? But I like it. But I really advise you to go and watch Cindy's tutorial, which I will link underneath. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.